In this guide, I'm going to show you the best ROG Xbox Ally X settings for Fortnite to hit a stable 120 FPS. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by obviously opening up Fortnite, and then from here, hit the command center button on your Xbox Ally X. And you're going to want to change your operating mode to turbo with 25 watts. Keep the resolution at 1080p. If you do want more FPS, you can also switch to 900p or 720p, but set the FPS limiter to 120 and make sure that your refresh rate is also set to 120 Hz. On top of that, go ahead and enable real-time monitor to check, and from here, you're going to go ahead and adjust Fortnite itself, so get loaded back into Fortnite, and go into Fortnite settings by selecting the profile picture, the settings gear just like so, and under video, go ahead and find this display section right here, and make sure that it's on windowed full screen. That's what I personally recommend. You can put it on full screen as well, but I think windowed is a little bit better. For your resolution, match your device. So if you have your device set to 1080, right, go ahead and put it on 1080, 900, 720, whatever you set it to. And for 3D resolution, go ahead and put it to 70 to 75%. This is going to give you a huge FPS boost, especially for handheld mode. From here, go ahead and set the following to low. View distance, put that on low. Textures, put that on low. Meshes low. Effects low. And shadows, just turn those off. This is what most competitive players use anyways, so it's best to maximize performance. And then go to the game tab up at the very top, and of course make sure you save your settings as much as possible when you get the opportunity to. But in the game tab, turn off NVIDIA highlights, record replays, large team replays. Go ahead and turn all that kind of stuff off, including creative replays and high quality replays. This is all going to be towards the very bottom. You don't want any of this kind of stuff on. Then also turn off the energy saving features and set sleep mode to never as well. Then go to the audio tab all the way over here, and in this section, find sound quality and turn it to low, and also go ahead and turn 3D headphones off. This just frees up extra system resources for better FPS, and after applying everything, load into creative, and you should see a stable 120 FPS even while moving, jumping, building, whatever it is. If you're not getting 120 in Battle Royale, go ahead and try lowering your resolution to 900 and 720p, and make sure Fortnite's resolution matches your system setting. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.